Here we've got DORO 8035, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, which are right here. Then find and pick date and time. It's the first tab under system, and here you can either use automatic date and time or you can switch it off and set it up by yourself, so it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone, and here by tapping on time zone you can pick the one that you would like to apply. Finally, you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off and have 12-hour format clock. And that would basically be all. Now you can just go back to automatic setup by tapping on those switchers. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change date and time on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.